In this tutorial, we'll cover some common problems and how to fix them. First, a problem you might encounter is that you're using the shadow manager on your character, but you walk into shadow and nothing happens. Now this could have many reasons. First, you should definitely check the technical settings in your shadow manager component. The trace length should be long enough, and the tint should be set to the default value as well as everything else. And the fade duration and time between checks should also have reasonable values. If you're unsure, simply reset them to the default value. However, if that doesn't help, what you should do is you should check your material for your character. In your material, check if you have Enable Shadow Manager controls disabled. In that case, simply enable it and it will work again. Another problem you might encounter is using the Anisotropic highlight. You may find to have some seams like this on your objects for no apparent reason. This has something to do with how Unreal calculates the tangents on objects that you import. For some reason I don't understand, on UV seams the tangents will split a bit and this causes this effect. So the best workaround you can do is simply put the UV seams at places where this seam on the Anisotropic highlight won't matter that much. Lastly, you may find that all your objects in your scene are tinted in a strange way, even though you do not have any tint actor in your scene. In that case, what happened is that in some other scene, a tint actor tinted your objects and this setting carried over into your new scene. For that reason, it's best to just have one tint actor in every scene, and even if you're not using it, just have it there because it'll reset everything to the default values. And also make sure you do not have more than one tint actor per scene, because this tint actor changes the settings for your entire scene, and if you have multiple of them, they might conflict and cause some issues.